Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix voicemail notification not working in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and here you can see the option do not disturb. Now click on it. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications and scroll down and open app, and here if you turn off your notification, then turn it on. After turn on notifications, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then click on reset all settings. Now enter your password to reset all your settings. It will reset all your settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.